Good morning everyone. Thought I'd come and do a nice early start today. Just popped up to the private garden area again where I was last week. The landowner showed me around. Thought I'd make a start here and then move over to the paddocks a little bit later on, give it a couple of hours here, see what I can do. There's a fair few running about, which is handy, so that's all good really. So I'll report back if I get any footage. I've got the Nitesite on again, so I'll get a bit more daytime footage as I did last week. So hopefully I'll have something to share with you all later. Cheers all, take care. Right, it's currently 6 AM and I've bagged 6 rabbits so far, which isn't bad really. I've only been here an hour and 15 minutes and the first one was dropped within the first 5 minutes of setting up, so I'm quite happy with that. If it carries on like this, it should be a bloody good session. I'm going to head up a little bit further into the garden shortly and see if anything else shows up that end. The landowner's reported a fair few running around near his bungalow, so I'm going to head up there in about half hour or so, see how we get on. Right, take care all, bye bye. Right, final tally for this morning's session is 15. I'm happy enough with that. Landowner had a little stroll up and saw me earlier on, see how I was getting on. Showed him obviously what I managed to bag and he was pleased, so that's the main priority really. He said can I come up again in a couple of weeks or so, maybe give it 3 weeks. Come and have another little go, a little stroll around the garden again, try and knock a few more off for him. So obviously I'm pleased with that. I mean, I've been here since 4:45. I mean obviously I don't know what the time is now, but it's been a good session. Really enjoyed it today. Weather's been alright. It's been quite mild really. It's been about, well, started off about 11 degrees I think, and now it's about 15, so only been downside was it started to rain a little bit, so I just took a little bit of shelter under the trees and that, just shot from under there, which has helped really, kept me nice and camouflaged. Right, hope everyone has a good day. Take care, I'll speak to you all soon.